Alright, here we go. So unboxing the DJI Osmo Mobile 6. Just bought it today. Let's see what's inside. I'm just having trouble already. What's in there? Oh, just a nice little carry bag, Osmo on the front, light cut app, quick guide, instructions. If you can't work it out, we'll look at that later on. A couple of stickers. Cord inside there as well. USB-C. Okay. Unbox the stand. Not sure what they are. Little paddy things. Rubbish. The phone clamp. Magnetic back. Looks pretty nice. Sturdy. Adjustable. Okay, automatically turns on. Screw the base in. Align the phone clamp and that magnet. It's pretty simple. It's a little magnet, sort of clips on. Not sure what to do here. Press the mode. Look, you can just plug it in. I assume you can. Go to the app. Connect to the device. Pair. Authorize. Using app. Allow. Get started. Let's record a video. Press the shutter record button. Okay. Well done, you've learned how to start and record. Double press the trigger. Press 2 times to recenter the gimbal quickly. Active track simple. Press the switch button 3 times to switch to photo mode. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. No. 2, 3. Yeah, I'm gonna do it quickly. Press the switch 3 times. Okay, M button. Press once to switch gimbal modes. Press 3 times to center, 3 times to enter standby mode. Press and hold to power on and off. Press once to center. 3 times to standby, don't want to go that. Press once to take photos. Or start stop recording. Switch button. Press 2. Switch button 3. Press to switch between front and back cameras. Press twice to switch between landscape and portrait modes. Press 3 times to switch between photo and video modes. Or enter quick center. Trigger. Press once to enable or disable active track. Press twice to recenter the gimbal or center subject to the camera view. Press and hold to lock to press once. And press and hold to enable fast follow speed. Release to exit side wheel. Press once to switch between zoom and focus. Scroll to adjust zoom or focus setting. Cool. System 1 status. Solid yellow device not connected. Solid green device connected through Bluetooth. Blinks yellow, device not connected and gimbal in standby mode. Blinks green, device connected through Bluetooth and gimbal in standby mode. Blinks red, magnetic phone clamp. not properly installed. Blinks red and green, alternatively updating firmware. Okay. Slide to select shooting mode. Common shooting settings are here. Displays device battery level.